small place called Prolom with only like 100 inhabitants. It's very famous for Prolom bottled water, which is a very high quality water. It's surrounded by the mountains, and there are a lot of water sources with temperature from 26 to 31 degrees Celsius, I think. It's a very nice place, at least we've been told like that, so we're gonna check there and see what's up. There's also Javolja, literally translated as Devil's Town or Devil's Neighborhood. It's a natural wonder with some rock formations. I'm gonna show you later, and that's it. See you soon. Now we are going to find the spa hotel, and this is apparently the pool here. Welcome to our apartment. Whoa, nice, huh? Ooh, hoe she look? Oh, we have balcony. Nice. The hills and mountains. I think there are 2 mountains around us. So here we got some amazing things. If you come to Prolom Banja, you don't have to bring lotion, body lotion, shower gel, shampoo, hair balsam, shaving kit, dental. Here you have everything, and this is very nice what they're giving. So far so good. We were at the outside pools. There's one huge one for children with a lot of these roller coasters. I don't know how you call them, but anyway, I'm gonna try them. Bigger, smaller pools for adults and kids as well. There's a bar outside. This is pretty nice. Surrounding is pretty nice. It's very peaceful, not many people, ex-Yugoslavian music. So for now, 1 to 10, 10 definitely. Back to the apartment. I'm grabbing my boyfriend's sunglasses, and we're gonna go back to outdoor pools to enjoy a bit. I don't want to film too much now because there are many people. I'm not sure is everybody okay with filming and recording them. It's a bit tricky to ask everybody for permission now, of course. So I guess I'll do it a bit later when there are less people, or early in the morning. I think that's the best choice. And for now, we just want to enjoy a little bit more and to give you, a good review on how is Prolom Banja. And this is our first lunch on our first day. It's on the buffet basis, so you can choose anything you want. Okay, this is very interesting. I've seen this for the first time. So basically on the left side is warm water where I'm walking right now. Down there I'm walking on soft stones. And on the left side, or right, depends from which side are you watching, it's cold water. It's not that cold, it's like maybe 20 degrees Celsius, I don't know. But apparently this is very good for people who have problems with circulation, leg problems and things like that. And you can hold yourself here and just walk. It's pretty amazing. I never seen this before, so this is something which you can do in Prolom Banja here in Serbia. We were just in the Finnish sauna, which is from 80 to 100 degrees. I hear that if you manage to last 10 minutes, which is recommended time, congratulations. We managed to be there like 4 minutes or something like that. That was it. So this is the Finnish one. And this is the thing you use. This is how it's supposed to be. You use it after you are in the sauna. inside the bio. Before entering to any sauna, you have a sign with a description and recommendations, how long you should be there, and everything else. And this is the salt sauna. There's a lot of salt in here. And this is the place where people are selling the souvenirs. And up there's a church, and we will go there tomorrow. So now we are going to the viewpoint, the Holy Transfiguration Church. In the forest, and we are going to waterfall. I think the name is Soko. It's a very beautiful one, although now it's August. We hope that it will be some water there, but anyway, it's a beautiful place. So Soko waterfall. So I bought these traditional socks, and they are smelling on grandmother, my grandmother, but they're super warm and they're very traditional. They are making them in Zlatibor. I mean, they're making them everywhere, but the most popular ones are from Zlatibor. We are planning to move to the Netherlands again, and this will be perfect. That was it. Thank you so much for watching another video on Cookie Loves to Travel channel. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and see you next video. Ciao from Prolom Banja.